Hello, everybody. How are you? Are you okay? Of course you are. I can see that from here. I'm good too. And I hope you had a special Easter day as well with your families. And today I want to talk about three spring insects and three spring animals. And to do so, I have a friend who is going to be a helper. He's a dear friend of mine. His name is Lucky, and I think that some of you remember him. Lucky, come here. Where are you? Hey, here you are. Hi. Say hello to everybody. Hello, hello. Lucky is my dear friend. He's a dog. As you can see, a dog, yes. And he's going to help me show you some spring animals and insects, as I said. Let's see if he knows these animals in English. I'm telling him, gli dico I nomi di questi animali e insetti. E lui li deve scegliere dal mio tavolo. Are you ready? He's ready. Okay, so Lucky. Now, I'm showing you some pictures. Let's see. So, allora, vediamo un po'. Lucky, what is a frog? A frog, yes. A frog. Show well. Yes, that's a frog. Poi vediamo un po'. Lucky, what is a butterfly? No? Yes, it's a butterfly. Show well. Mostra bene. Wait a second. Butterfly. Very good. Now, Lucky, find, cerca un chick. Sniff, sniff. No, this is not a chick. Try again. Yes, that's a chick. Good boy. Show the chick well to the kids. Mostra bene ai bambini. Oh, yes, this is a chick. And let's see. What's missing? Allora, dimmi quale di questi due è un bunny. Oh, yes, this is a bunny. Let's see. Show the kids. Mostra bene. It's a nice little bunny. Okay. And now, you have found a... Vi ricordate come si chiama la coccinella? Si dice ladybug. Show the ladybug to the kids. Mostriamo bene. Okay. How cute. It's red with black spots. And they are very useful in nature. Sono molto utili in natura, like all the animals and all the insects. Tutti gli animali, gli insetti e gli esseri che vivono nella natura sono importantissimi. So remember, respect nature. Bye!